Hi everyone, and welcome to Room Rescue here at the HGTV Home Design Studio inside the warehouse at Huck. I'm Kate Corey, and this week we'll breathe new life into a lakefront cabin retreat, and we'll show you how to add style and function to your home office. Let's get started. We're going to kick things off today with a look at our room in need of rescue. Joining me now is our design consultant, Sandy. Sandy, tell me about today's rescue.
So a very busy couple bought a house on the lake.
Okay.
They wanted a place they could go to and relax.
Okay, all right, I can understand that. And what is the overall feel of the new space?
They wanted it comfortable, relaxing, just a calm place.
To kind of like decompress, right?
Absolutely.
So let's talk a little bit about the elements you worked in here. How did you achieve that feel?
So since it was on the lake, I wanted to use a rustic design.
Okay.
With different textures and fabrics and finishes.
And I like too, your whole color scheme feels very calm to me.
Yeah, I tried to use warm earth tones.
Well, it looks like you worked in a lot of really interesting accessories here. I can't wait to see the whole room come together. We're gonna come back and see you in a minute, but first, we're gonna jump over and see Dan for our 60-second helper. Dan, how can we make the most of our home office space?
Good question, Kate. Function really is a priority
Right.
in this category, but you don't have to sacrifice style or form when you're shopping at Basset Furniture. We have a large selection of beautiful pieces, starting with a variety of writing desks. We have corner desks, we have executive desks, we have leg desks, all with pieces you can put together to make it your own.
Let's see a few examples.
Sure. Well, what we have here is our corner desk. We've added a top hutch, which has shelving with pass-through wire management.
Right.
We have drawers on the sides.
Lots of room.
We've decided to add a file on this side, large file cabinet.
Okay.
Over here, we have your shelving. As you can see, you can have a glass door or a wooden door.
So fully customizable. And now what would you do for a chair here?
You can get an office chair anywhere and they all look the same.
Right.
Why not a beautiful custom chair? You pick the fabric, very comfortable, looks great.
I
Why
love
not?
that. And now you also have some other pieces too.
We do. This is your executive desk, okay? Again, you have your file storage on the bottom. You've got your pull-out keyboard drawer.
Love that.
You can add a hutch on top. You've got your wire management cutouts in the sides.
Right. And now does this come in another finish?
It does. This is your tobacco finish, but behind you, you'll see this is our peppermill finish.
Oh, wow. This
This
one's
is our leg
beautiful.
desk. We've added a file on the side here as well. Hutch tops on each piece, wire management, you've got power, you've got USB ports, you're ready to go.
I love that. I can't get over the options, and then I have to say it looks beautiful mixed in with this bedroom.
And that's what we can do for you. We're gonna make you look great in your home.
Dan, thank you so much for the tips today.
You're welcome.
It's time now for the moment we've all been waiting for, the big reveal. Sandy is back. Sandy, tell us about your room.
I wanted to show how you could use 3 different rugs close in proximity to each other and still make them work as long as the colors coordinate.
I love that. They really do work well together. I never would have thought to do that. Tell me too, I see you have a couple different wood finishes going on.
Yeah, I mixed the tones from the table, the chairs, the china cabinet, and the desk to make a more custom look.
And that cabinet, is that an actual china cabinet?
Well, it's actually a bookcase, but I thought it functioned well for a china cabinet.
Let's go over some of your rustic details you worked in here.
I wanted to put some subtleties in, like the antler coat rack and the stick key holder, but not to go too overboard.
Right, because it can be easy to put in too many rustic things and then it doesn't go together as well. Let's talk about that ottoman because I think it is so cute.
It just adds a little touch of whimsy and it's a great conversation starter.
And of course that fireplace just totally warms everything right up.
They love the warm atmosphere the space provides and it's the perfect relaxing retreat.
Sandy, this room looks amazing. You did such a good job on it.
Oh, thank you. I love designing it.
If you have a design problem you'd like solved, submit your questions and room photos at huckfinswarehouse.com. That does it for today's episode of Room Rescue here at the HGTV Home Design Studio inside the warehouse at Huck. Thank you for watching. We'll see you next week.